In today's video, we are going to fill in the blanks to learn the following workshop tools. This is part 2. Let's check the word list first. A. Adjustable spanner. B. Paint roller. C. Vise. D. Hacksaw. E. Framing nailer. F. Hand planer. G. Plumb line. H. Circular saw. I. Orbital sander. J. C-clamp. K. Step ladder. L. Tri-square. M. Handrail. And N. Crowbar. Okay, let's begin. What's this in English? Number 1. This is correct. A tri-square. This is a tri-square. Number 2. This is an orbital sander. This is an orbital sander. Number 3. This is good. A C-clamp. This is a C-clamp. Number 4. This is a crowbar. This is a crowbar. Number 5. This is an adjustable spanner. This is an adjustable spanner. Next one, number 6. This is a paint roller. This is a paint roller. Number 7. This is a hacksaw. This is a hacksaw. Number 8. This is a plumb line. This is a plumb line. Number 9. This is a hand planer. This is a hand planer. Number 10. This is a vise. This is a vise. Number 11. This is a circular saw. This is a circular saw. Number 12. This is a handrail. This is a handrail. Number 13. This is a step ladder. This is a step ladder. And the last one, number 14. This is a framing nailer. This is a framing nailer. Okay, well done. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.